Let's be real. Most people wake up like NPCs. They roll out of bed, grab their phone, and start scrolling through nonsense before they even brush their teeth. And then they wonder why their life is a mess. But listen, if your morning is chaotic, your life is chaotic. Period. On the flip side, if you own your morning, success isn't just possible, it's inevitable. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. These 5 steps will transform the way you wake up and, in turn, transform your life. Let's get into it. Step 1. Win the first decision of the day. The first thing you do in the morning sets the tone for your entire day. But most people make a weak decision before they even start. Hitting snooze, rolling over, procrastinating on life before it even begins. But successful people, they get up immediately. No negotiations, no 5 more minutes, because they know that the first battle of the day is won or lost the moment the alarm rings. And if you can't even win that battle, how do you expect to win in life? Here's how you fix it. Step 2. The 5-second rule? Beat your brain before it beats you. Struggling to get up right away? That's normal. Your brain is wired to keep you comfortable. But here's the hack, the 5-second rule. The moment your alarm goes off, count down from 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get up. Don't think, don't negotiate, just move. Because the second you hesitate, your brain will talk you out of it. Beat your brain before it beats you. And once you're up, you got to do this next step immediately or you'll slip back into laziness. Step 3. Move before your mind wakes up. Most people wake up groggy and take that as a sign they need more sleep. Wrong. You don't need more sleep. You need movement. Push-ups, jump squats, a cold shower. Do something to jolt your system before your brain convinces you to be lazy. Because when you move, you create energy. You force your body to wake up and suddenly you're in control, not your excuses. But being awake isn't enough. Now, you need to protect your focus. Step 4. Control your inputs. No social media first thing. Your brain is most vulnerable in the first 30 minutes after waking up. But what do most people do? They drown in social media, emails, and notifications. Big mistake. If you start your day reacting to the world, you'll spend the whole day playing defense instead of going after what matters. Instead, replace this habit. Read, journal, meditate. Do something that builds you up instead of wasting time on distractions. Control your inputs, and you control your life. And now that you've cut out the noise, it's time for the final and most powerful step. Step 5. Dominate your first hour. Now that you're up, moving, and disconnected from distractions, it's time to set the tone for the day. Your first hour is your launch pad. Here's how to make it count. Review your goals. Remind yourself why you're doing this. Engage in deep work. Start your most important task first. Hydrate and fuel up. Water first, then something nourishing. Set an intention. Decide how you want to show up today. Each of these steps stacks on top of the previous one. Win the first hour, and you'll win the rest of the day. But here's the truth. Most people won't do this. They'll listen, they'll nod, and then they'll go back to their old habits. But you are not most people. If you've watched this far, you already know the truth. The way you start your morning shapes the course of your entire life. So here's the real question. Are you going to keep hitting snooze on your potential? Or are you finally going to wake up and take control? Drop it in the comments if you're done making excuses. And if you're serious about leveling up, hit that subscribe button because the next video, it's about to take your mindset to a whole new level. Until then, keep growing every day.